Hello, my name is Lorena, and I'm going to explain this activity, which is called a visit to the park. The purpose of this resource is for students to learn to recognize and calculate the area and perimeter of basic geometric figures in the environment. The activity consists of clicking on each of the 3 points in the image, where a specific object from the park appears that has the shape of a geometric figure. Clicking on the image displays a question, which the student must answer. These questions involve calculating the area or perimeter of the figure shown in the image. Each question has 3 answer choices. After selecting your answer, click the Submit button. If the answer is correct, a checkmark appears. Click Close and move on to the next one. For example, in this image, we see the question, calculate the perimeter of this rectangular figure, where its sides measure 4, 6, 4, and 6 meters. According to the formula for finding the perimeter, you must add all the sides together. Therefore, the process would be to add 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6, resulting in 20 meters. We select the answer, click Submit, and close the form. This was a correct answer. Now, the next question says calculate the area of a circle that measures 10 meters in diameter. In this case, we selected an incorrect answer, 50 square meters, because the correct answer is 78.54 square meters. For this reason, an audio message appears reminding you how to calculate this unknown and pointing out the correct answer.
Remember that the area of a circle is calculated by multiplying the number pi by the radius squared.
Once you have finished answering a question, click on the X and continue to the next one. In this resource, there are 3 questions about the area and perimeter of basic geometric figures. This activity connects mathematical concepts, in this case, basic geometric shapes and the calculation of their areas and perimeters. We have the rectangle, with the English formula for calculating its area being equal to the base times the height, and its perimeter being the base times 2 plus the height times 2. The circle has its area formula equal to pi times the radius squared, and its perimeter equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Finally, the square has its area formula equal to the side times the side itself, and its perimeter equals the side times 4. This mathematical knowledge is connected to English because the explanation and content of the activity are in English. Thus, as the student completes the game, they practice English vocabulary and mathematical concepts. Students can use this resource to recognize geometric shapes in their environment and expand their vocabulary.